The batteries are dying, the batteries are dying, the batteries are dying. And it's going in circles. It'll flip over. Well, it's getting too dead to kind of do that. Your cats will love them too. They will play with them. Oh, here they are. Here it is, getting low. Let's put it in the bathroom.